You might be feeling frustrated and fed up. After watching so many videos and trying out countless products, it can be disheartening when it feels like none of them are delivering the results you were hoping for, and you're starting to lose hope, but I got you. I'm about to unveil the ultimate guide to achieving the clearest, smoothest, and most confident skin you've ever had. First, nurture your skin. Most men focus only on their skincare routine and ignore their diet, but as I told you in this video, I'll share with you the best tips for getting the perfect skin. Consume a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables daily. Each color represents different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for healthy skin. For example, orange and yellow. These are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a key player in skin health. Leafy greens, packed with vitamin C and E, as well as antioxidants, they can help combat signs of aging. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage. Tomatoes, they contain lycopene, which can help protect your skin from sun damage. Avocado, full of healthy fats and vitamin E, which keeps your skin moisturized and supple. Also, reduce the appearance of pores and improve your overall skin tone. Nuts and seeds provide essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which increase collagen production in the body and can strengthen the skin, resulting in a more youthful appearance. They contain high levels of zinc, which helps your skin produce new cells. Secondly, avoid harming your skin. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact your skin's health. Hot water. Avoid using hot water for cleansing and rinsing your face. Hot water can be too harsh and dry. Instead, opt for lukewarm water, which is gentler on your skin. Avoid excessive high glycemic carbohydrates, like sugary snacks and processed foods, cause blood sugar spikes, and can manifest on your skin as increased acne and breakouts. Over-exfoliating. Avoid excessive exfoliation, which can strip your skin's natural oils and cause irritation. Stick to a gentle exfoliation routine suitable for your skin type, typically 1-2 times a week. Overloading with products. Using too many products at once can overwhelm your skin. Stick to a simple routine with products suitable for your skin type and concerns. Now let's move on to what you should add to your daily routine. 1. General routine throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside. Patch test. When introducing new products, patch test first to check for adverse reactions. 2. Skincare routine. The last and most crucial step to perfect skin is following a skincare routine. Here's a simple guide with proven product examples. Morning skincare routine. Cleansing. I understand that you may already be familiar with the concept of cleansing, but you need to take it a step further and choose a product suitable for your skin type to remove any impurities that may have built up overnight. Start by cleansing the oily parts of your face if your skin is oily or combined, then continue with the rest of your face. Massage the cleanser into your face in a circular motion. Products I recommend. For normal skin, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It's gentle and hydrating, suitable for everyday use. For oily or acne-prone skin, Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash contains salicylic acid to help control excess oil and breakouts. For dry skin, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, a mild and hydrating option that won't strip your skin's natural oils. For combination skin, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser balances both oily and dry areas without overdrying. Incorporating serum, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serums are essential for healthy skin. Hyaluronic acid is responsible for hydration, anti-aging, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, as well as vitamin C, antioxidant protection, combats free radicals and premature aging. Collagen production, improves elasticity, reducing wrinkles. Drink green tea. Green tea is beneficial for the skin in several ways. It contains antioxidants that combat skin-damaging free radicals, reduce premature aging, soothe irritated skin, and can help control acne by its antimicrobial properties. Use an alcohol-free moisturizer. Alcohol-free moisturizer is essential for the skin because it hydrates and nourishes without the drying and irritating effects of alcohol. Recommend using aloe vera gel, as it's known for its numerous benefits. It's naturally alcohol-free and suitable for various skin types. Sunscreen. I don't need to remind you that you must wear sunscreen daily, even when it's cloudy or during winter. Failure to do so will undo all the progress you've made. Night skincare routine. You should keep your skincare routine simple. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer, lip balm. This basically means following your morning skincare routine, but instead of applying sunscreen, use retinol. If you do not have retinol in your skincare routine, it is highly recommended that you get it now. Retinol is a powerful skincare ingredient with key benefits. It reduces wrinkles and enhances skin's elasticity, speeds up cell turnover for smoother, brighter skin, helps unclog pores and control oil production, prevents signs of aging when used regularly. I personally use the Ordinary Retinol 1% in Squalane, as it's known for its affordability and simplicity. The Ordinary's retinol product offers different concentrations to suit various skincare needs. Finally, the most important thing after all this is consistency. Your skin deserves your commitment and patience. Stick to your routine, and give products time to work before you start seeing any difference. If you stick with it until the end like you've done with this video, I promise you'll get glowing, shining skin. Remember, this is your journey to radiant, shining skin, and it starts with you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.